how my room looks like. But oh, I cannot wait to sleep now. The room is pretty small, but it's quite lovely. As you can see, everything is there. I have a very nice view outside. My room looks very cozy and very pretty. I like this room. And I love the view. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm in Haneda, Japan, and it's my first time to Japan. And the weather is really cold outside. The temperature is 1 degree Celsius. So I'm not planning to go out anywhere, but I promised you next time whenever I'm in Japan, I will go outside and see the places nearby. About the Japan, as everyone knows, Japan is a very clean city and people here are very particular. They are very cleanliness freak. They try to clean everything around them. Also about their food, they are very particular. They want their meals to be hot, delicious, and it should be well presented. Talking about the food, I am vegetarian, so I always keep a packet of chips, some nuts, a packet of biscuits, cup noodles with me, just in case I cannot find anything vegetarian outside. At least I have something handy with me, and it's my advice to all the vegetarians to keep something with you, just in case you cannot find anything. At least you have something to fill your stomach. Nevertheless, as I'm here, I plan to go outside to the convenience store. It's just next to the hotel, and see the shops, see anything vegetarian which I can buy and eat. And also about their clothing, their convenience store is really big and is very convenient for us because it's just next door. We can just put any warmer and can go out and shop. There we have the stores, all the big brands, all the eating stores, all the food drinks, and all the shops out there. So I'm just planning to go out. Later I'll show you the videos how the convenience store is here and how my hotel looked like. So I'm all ready to find my food. I'm going to the convenience store, which is the next store just beside the hotel. So let's find out if I can get any vegetarian thing to eat. And also I'll show you how my hotel view looks like. So this is a small cafe where we got the books, and you can order coffee, tea, and you can relax and read some books and articles. So it's a very nice space, very cozy. It's a very nice view outside as well. You can see the hotel is really big and looks very royal because of the lighting and the architecture. It's so clean. The hotel looks very clean and the staff is really friendly and helpful. They are very nice. Intercontinental Grand Hotel, Haneda, and the hotel looks very royal with all the furniture and lighting. This is the reception area. This is the waiting area. This is the outside door, so I'm going out. This is the night view of the river and the back side of the hotel. This is my hotel. The view is really nice and the weather is very cold right now. and some restaurants. This is the restaurant area. I have the other shops as well for children's. This is the empty mall, and this is one more restaurant. I think again it looks French to me. Okay, let's see the menu. Okay, I cannot understand anything. Choices I have, which I cannot eat because none of it is vegetarian. Oh, I cannot understand what is it. I can only understand this beef, roast beef, which I do not take. I have this amazing selection of food item here, but unfortunately I cannot eat. So this is the food court area. Oh, I can get the Subway and McDonald's. Okay, let's check it out. So I'm making my way back to my room. I had a vegetarian hot dog from Subway and it was quite filling. And now I am feeling so tired and I cannot wait to go back to sleep. I see you all again in Singapore. In the meanwhile, have a good night.